Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about good prognosis in schizophrenia is indicated by good prognosis in schizophrenia is indicated by the presence of affective symptoms. That means these affective symptoms are the symptoms of manic or depressive symptoms. So these will tell that the schizophrenia is good prognosis. If it is emotionally blunting, or if there is insidious onset, or if there are soft neurological signs, then these will show that the schizophrenia is poor prognosis. Thank you, and thank you for watching.